Welcome back to Home Decor Hub. Now in this video you will see the amazing pictures and ideas of open kitchen design. Open kitchen design has become increasingly popular in recent years. This type of design creates a seamless transition between the kitchen and the living area, and it's a great option for those who love to entertain. Here are some key points to consider when it comes to open design kitchen. Space. One of the main benefits of an open kitchen design is that it creates a sense of suspiciousness. By removing walls and barriers, the kitchen and living area blend together, create an expansive open space. This can make a small kitchen feel much larger and can also make a home feel more inviting and welcoming. Flexibility. An open kitchen design can also be very flexible in terms of design. With the kitchen and living area combined, it's easier to create a cohesive look throughout the space. This means that you can choose finishes, colors, and material that work well together and create a seamless look. Additionally, an open kitchen design can be easily together adapted to changing needs such as adding an island or dining table. Resale value. When it comes to resale value, an open kitchen design is a smart investment. Many home buyers are looking for open floor plans, so having an open kitchen design can make your home more attractive to potential buyer. It can also add value to your home, which is important if you plan on selling in the future. Privacy. One potential drawback of an open kitchen design is that it can be less private. If you are someone who prefers to keep the kitchen separate from a living area, an open kitchen design may not be the best choice for you. Additionally, an open kitchen design can make it harder to hide messes or clutter in the kitchen, which may be a concern for some homeowners. Overall, an open kitchen design is a great option for those who socialization, flexibility, and space. It's also a smart investment in terms of resale value. However, it may not be the best choice for those who prefer more privacy or who are concerned about hiding messes in the kitchen. If you are considering an open kitchen design, it is important to weigh the cons and pros.